Hello, hi, my name is Sue and welcome to Learn with me. Today I'm going to show you how to create an easy drop-down list for your Excel sheet. It comes in very handy. So let's begin. Step 1, go ahead and open your Excel book or Excel sheet on your Mac or your Windows and go ahead and create your title. So I'll go ahead and start. So one is title will be yes or no, color, maybe a number, and maybe states. Okay, these are my 4 categories. I'm going to go ahead and bold them. It's very important that you open another sheet, and I would normally label it drop down lists. Okay, so here are your titles and what do you want to go under those titles. So for yes or no, I put yes, no. The other one was color, pink, red, blue, yellow. These are my favorite colors. Then you have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then last but not least, states. But you can write as much as you want. States. Oh, let me say New York. California. Texas. And Chicago. Oh, not state, but Chicago is not a state, it's a city. We'll say Rhode Island. Alright, these are my drop-down lists. Alright, go back to sheet. So for column A, I want to make sure that I have these guys. Alright, here we go. I select the entire sheet. The tile cell, I'm sorry. Go to data on your ribbon, data validation, list. Now for your sources, that would be your drop down list. So under the column yes, I would like yes or no here. Alright, if you look, there you go. Now I'll go ahead and continue the rest. Oops. Did it too fast. Sources were these colors. All right. Then for numbers, data validation, list, source. These are the numbers. Okay, and my last category is the states. Make sure it's lists. Okay, so you're done. And here you go. Yes, no, no, red, blue, yellow, pink. Could be 2, 3, oops, I skipped 1. My bad. And 1. And for state, Rhode Island, California, and so forth. That's it. That's how you create an Excel drop-down list. Very simple, right? Thank you for watching. Have a great day.